In this video, I'm going to show you how to perform a brake bleeding procedure on your Kia Sorento. Let's get started. Moving under the hood, we're going to locate the master cylinder. In this case, it's on the driver's side of the vehicle. Before we go ahead and open the master cylinder, you want to make sure that it's clean and no debris is going to fall inside the master. So using some brake parts cleaner, go ahead and spray some around it and wipe off around the cap. Go ahead and open it. And we're going to pay attention to what it says on the cap, and it's telling us that we're going to use a DOT3 or 4. In our case, we're going to use DOT3. Next up, we're going to go ahead and extract some fluid from the master cylinder. Before we go ahead and do that, we're going to take out this filter, making sure that the hose is going to go in our master cylinder is clean and free of debris. You're going to go ahead and stick it in and extract as much fluid as you can. And now we're going to go ahead and refill our master cylinder with some DOT3 brake fluid. Go ahead and get it to the max line. And now we're going to go ahead and reinstall the filter. Make sure that it's free of debris. Go ahead and slide it in. Reinstall our cap. And now we're going to go ahead and perform our brake bleeding procedure, starting with the right rear. Then we're going to move on to the left front. Then we're gonna do the left rear, and last we're gonna do the right front. Moving to the right rear of the vehicle, we're gonna go ahead and open the bleeder using a 10mm wrench. Go ahead and crack it open. Make sure you have a drain pan to catch the oil. I'll be using a bottle. And now you're gonna have someone in the vehicle that's gonna pump the brakes. And while they're holding on the brake pedal, we're gonna go ahead and open the valve. And what we wanna see is a steady stream of fluid and no air. Close it, pump, now that this looks good, we're gonna go ahead and disconnect our hose, make sure that our bleeder is closed, and we're gonna move on to the left front of the vehicle. Moving to the left front of the vehicle, we're gonna go ahead and perform a brake bleed procedure using a 10mm wrench. We're gonna go ahead and crack the bleeder on. Go ahead and have someone in the car pump the brakes. And while they're holding on the pedal, you're gonna go ahead and crack it open. And what we wanna see is a steady stream of fluid. Close it. Repeat this process till there's no bubbles. Pump the brakes. And crack it open. Once you're happy with that, go ahead and close the brake bleeder. And remove the hose if you use one. And now we're gonna go ahead and top off our master cylinder. Remove the cap and add some fluid. Go ahead and cap it off and move on to the next wheels. The next two are gonna be the exact same process as the first and second. And now we're gonna go ahead and top off our brake master cylinder to the max line. Go ahead and put the cap back on. And now get in your vehicle and pump out the brakes. If the pedal feels soft or squishy, you will want to perform the procedure all over again. Now go ahead and reinstall the wheels and torque them to 79.6 foot-pounds.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.